Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Xero account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you request a W-9 from one of your clients or contacts in Xero? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to request a W-9 from one of your contacts anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that managing your tax expenses can be time consuming, and 1099s are required from some of your vendors or maybe some of your contractors. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Xero account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Xero account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to request a W-9 from somebody in your Xero account, what you're going to do is click on Contact. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on All Contacts. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a long list of all the contacts in your Xero. So just scroll through until you find the person or company that you want to request a W-9 from. If you have a huge list, you can go ahead and use the search bar and search by their name. For the purpose of this video, I'll go ahead and choose Edwin. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the activity between you and that person. However, in order to request their W-9, you're going to click on Edit here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see more information about that person, and you just want to scroll down until you get to their tax details. So scroll down, or you can click right here, tax details, and it'll scroll automatically for you. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to get to this section and you want to look for W-9. So the cool thing about Xero is you can request their W-9 electronically. So they're not going to have to print it out, fill it out, scan it, fax it back, or email it back. All you're going to do is just go ahead and click on this blue button, View W-9 Request. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this link right here. So with this link, all you're going to do is just copy the link, and now you can go ahead and text it to your vendor, or you can go ahead and email it to them, and all they're going to need to do is just click on the link. You can also email it directly from Xero. So what's going to happen is when they open this link up, they can go ahead and fill out their W-9 online. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so here is what it looks like. They're saying that I'm requesting a W-9 from them, so they'll confirm that they have a working relationship with me, and then they'll click continue, and they can go ahead and fill out the 9 details here. Once they do that, it's going to show them a completed form for the W-9, and they'll submit it, and it goes directly into my Xero account with all their information. So their name, business name, tax ID, and their address. This is all the required information for their W-9. So that way at the end of the year, I can easily file their 1099 or tax forms. And once that information is received, what's going to happen is you just come back in here and mark it as W-9 received. Okay. And now their contact information is updated to W-9 received. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to request a W-9 from one of your vendors or maybe one of your contractors in your Xero accounting software, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.